Understanding a slap in the face, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its mysteries together. Today, we're exploring a very interesting expression, a slap in the face. This phrase is packed with emotion and imagery, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English. So, let's get started and uncover the meaning behind this powerful idiom. A slap in the face is an idiom that conveys a sense of insult or injury, but not in a physical sense. It's used to describe a situation, action, or remark that is shockingly disrespectful or hurtful, as if someone had literally been slapped. Interestingly, this phrase captures the surprise, offense, or betrayal one might feel when their expectations are sharply contradicted or when they're treated with disregard. To help you understand how this idiom is used, let's look at a few examples. When someone's hard work is ignored, imagine working overtime on a project, only for your contribution to be completely overlooked. You might say, "Not getting any recognition for my hard work was a slap in the face." In response to unfair treatment, if someone is treated unfairly in comparison to others, they might describe the experience as feeling like a slap in the face. When someone's trust is betrayed, discovering a friend has lied to you can also feel like a slap in the face, highlighting the emotional pain of the betrayal. Understanding idioms like a slap in the face is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps non-native speakers grasp the emotional weight and context of conversations or literary works. This idiom, like many others, paints a vivid picture that goes beyond the literal meanings of the words. It encapsulates complex feelings and situations, allowing speakers to express themselves more vividly and listeners to gain deeper insights into the nuances of the English language. We hope this exploration of a slap in the face has been enlightening. Idioms like this one are what make learning English so rich and rewarding, offering a glimpse into the culture and emotional landscape of its speakers. Remember, understanding and using idioms appropriately can significantly enhance your communication skills and help you connect more deeply with others. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our future videos.